Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 194 Star Drop opening. So, let's see what we got.
Super
Starting
rare.
with the super rare, 100 coins,
Rare.
to a rare, 100 XP doublers,
Rare.
and a rare of 25 power points. So let's see what we have in the shop today. So a very significant offer. We have CCTV Poco. So unlike the Santa Stew offer, it does have the same model, but if you only care about exclusivity, you really don't need to care about anything beyond the actual purchase of the skin itself, where you'll get the skin, 200 coins, and a free star drop. Everything else is essentially just purely for the sake of buying offers. Again, I know this is a star drop opening channel, considering it, but there's 300 gems. So again, it's all technically good offers, like it says right on there. That's like 5 times the value and all that, but again, it's still 300 gems. So guys, just again consider whether or not it's worth it. Again, I really like the animations on this skin. I highly suggest you check that out. I think also just released a little video on it too. It's pretty funny. Dragon Knight Jessie in the shop, 50% off. Epic rarity. Again, I'm pretty sure you can get her out of Star Drop, but if you want her, you can buy her for a discount right now. For the daily freebie, we have 15 coins and 60 XP doublers. And of course, guys, I did not forget that starting today, we have the Star Toon Challenge. Okay, well, if it'll let me, let me see. I guess I was pressing the wrong button. Okay, anyway. So it looks, oh jeez, okay. So again, I'm glad that they're star drops, but that also means I have to make one of those longer videos opening star drops for the challenge, and I have to keep pausing and unpausing the video to open them all in the video. Anyway, okay. What I meant to say was, you can play the challenge. It's unlimited lives here, and you can get a free pin. It's not animated yet, but I'm sure it probably will be at one point. And there doesn't appear to be any modifiers, which I'm surprised by. So, you know, choose whatever brawls you want, try to have some fun with it. It's unlimited lives. Again, pretty much all the challenges as of recently have been unlimited lives. It's actually quite rare now that we get one that isn't. But, you know, at least we're not spending gems, so that's cool, even if the rewards aren't as exclusive. So, again, I don't think there's anything else significant going on, even though there's a bunch of things going on at the moment. Again, I'll certainly probably be picking up at least CCTV Poco, and then probably the star drops, but again, 300 gems. Anyway, as of today, I have 1,056 XP doublers and 20,094 power points. I would really appreciate a PowerPoint cap anytime now, Supercell. And just a quick look at the star drops I've accumulated. So far is 10, and we still have about 12 days to go, so I haven't even done most of my quests for the day yet, so I can probably just get another one right off the bat there. So yeah, guys, nothing else significant to report. So again, let me know what you think of the challenge, let me know what you think of the new skin, and let's see how far we can take this.